up the street. Hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to Skates and Skids. Today we're looking at going backwards. It's a quick video on going backwards. We're going to start at the beginning, a little bit of reverse bubbles, that sort of thing, and hopefully pretty quickly go through the stages to learn to get yourself going backwards pretty smooth. A couple of transitions, a couple of little bits you can do to make it look good, and not too much of an over explanation, I hope. Let's get started.
Filming this about 10 o'clock in a church car park, so hoping the lighting is going to look alright. First thing is getting your feet in position right. When you go forwards you do that triangle, when you go backwards you do a triangle the other way. If you don't know how to do this yet going forwards, then I've got a video on getting started going forwards, I'll link below. But the basics of this is turn out, turn in, and you'll get some movement going. This will feel sketchy for a little bit, and to be honest, if I try and do it for too long, it still feels a bit sketchy for me going backwards. But go backwards and lift one foot up at a time, so you get a bit of confidence in not having both feet on the ground. Once you feel a bit more confident doing that, you can start building some momentum. Left foot, right foot, opposite of going forwards again. It's probably going to feel a bit wobbly for a bit, and it might be frustrating, feeling like you've lost all your ability you had going forwards, but keep practicing, keep falling over, and you should get there eventually and feel a lot more confident doing this. The one piece of advice that helped me was to stick your bum out in the direction that your foot's going. That's where your momentum comes from. Also, try putting your hand around your back, and it'll help you to look backwards so you're not riding into people or things. Transitioning into going backwards is where things are going to start looking a bit cooler. Rather than having to stop and change direction that way, start riding forwards and spin round. There's a trick to it. It will start to feel natural and start to be a bit second nature. Let's take a look at this with some freeze frames. So we're coming forwards, we lift that front toe up, spin round, we're going sideways now, and then we flip the other foot round to go backwards. Here it is from another angle. It's very much practice as this one. Try using your body's momentum to spin yourself round. I suppose doing a nice transition is already a bit of flair, but there's a few other things you can do nicely while going backwards. This one's just about pivoting your boot, or one of your boots, on your front two wheels again, and doing that with one foot at a time. It'll start to feel natural eventually again. You can also do a sort of moonwalk thing. I've only just figured out how to do this, so can't give much advice on how to approach it.
With enough practice, you will figure out and you will stop falling over, and it should look pretty sick. So yeah, give it a go. Hope this helps. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Have a lovely evening and safe skating.
Thanks again for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, we'd really appreciate that and help me out a lot. Any likes on the video is great to see too. I got Instagram, I've got TikTok, so feel free to add me up on them. Trying to upload every weekend, so check it out.